Hello there, my name is Talis Donizetti and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meaning. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we're covering a really nice feature that was added to Alteryx Designer 2021.1, which is the ability to double-click a tool and add that tool to the canvas. So before you needed to drag the tool and drop it into the canvas so you could start working with your Alteryx tools, right? But as of right now, you can double-click the input data tool, for example, and that tool will be automatically added to the canvas. So it's easier, it's faster for you to develop a workflow. And the cool thing about it is, for example, if I select some data here and I want to work and add more tools to my workflow, working sequence. So if I wanted to add a select tool after the input tool, then this tool is automatically added and wired in front of the input data tool. Okay, so and that goes on. Like if I wanted to sort that data set, just double click the sort tool, configure really quickly, and that makes workflow development a lot faster. The only thing you need to be careful with, for example, if you have a tool like the filter tool, and I'm just gonna add a condition here like the ID equals 10. If I wanted to add another tool in front of the filter tool like the data cleansing one, then this tool is not automatically wired to the filter tool, and that's because the filter tool has two output anchors. So Alteryx doesn't make that choice for you, but it adds the tool right in front of the tool that you're working with. Okay? So this is a quick tip. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.